So guys, Mexc has introduced a new global event where the prize pool is $5 million. So yes, you heard me right. $5 million is kept in the prize pool of this particular event, which is happening in the Mexc Global Exchange. So in this video, I'll be simplifying it to you how you can participate and get rewarded through the Mexc Global Exchange. So it's going to be a very interesting video, and I'll be explaining you step by step on how to join it and participate in this particular event. So it's a simple event, and if you stick with me till the end, you will be completely understanding the information regarding this particular event. So before starting today's video, let me tell you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. All this information are just for educational purposes. So cryptocurrency and other markets are subjected to risks. So make sure you consult your own financial advisor before joining or investing in these kind of markets. So guys, to join this particular event, first and foremost, you need to have an Mexc Global Exchange application. If you don't have that, you can get it from the link in the description. So once you open that, you can see it here. Total prize pool, as I said, 5 million USDT, the film fest. Click on join now. So once you click on join now, this page will be popping up. You can see, just click on register now. Once you register now, a free card will be given to you. For example, here, as you can see, I received a free Solana card. You can receive Ethereum or Bitcoin card also. So guys, the event period will be from 14th of the October till the 8th of the November. So as I showed you, the first card, you will be getting it for absolutely free. It's known as pocket card, and it will be given to you daily automatically. For example, today I got Solana, tomorrow I will get some other card. So that is called a pocket card. So to get your second card, you need to do some of the tasks which they have explained here, and the task will differ if you are a new user or an existing user. I'll be telling you for both of you how exactly you can complete the second step to get the second pocket card. For the new users, you should be depositing 100 USDT and you should be starting trading with that 100 USDT on the futures. And for the existing user, it is $5,000 trading in the future. So if you trade $5,000 or 5,000 USDT in futures, you'll be getting the second card. For the new user, you just need to trade with the 100 USDT. So again, this is not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes. Before investing here, make sure you consult your own financial advisor. I'm not responsible for any of your funds or any of the losses you make with that funds. So once you do that, it's very easy. You can go to the wallet section, hit on the spot button, and you can deposit USDT if you don't have USDT in your Mexc Global Exchange. So once that is done, once that step 2 is done, now you have 2 cards with you. So you can trade futures daily to get the power cards. You can combine 2 pocket cards with the daily community cards to make the best 5-hand card. So if you have higher trading volumes, the better it is, the bigger the prize pool will be, the bigger the share will be. I'll be explaining you live also in this particular video, so stay with me. So total prize pool, as I said, it is 5 million USDT, and here you can win it from lucky draws, hand rankings with using the cards, and also point boosters, which I'll be explaining you, and it will be hitting, the rewards will be hitting within 24 hours as mentioned in the Mexc Global Exchange. So here I am on my Mexc Global Exchange, and as you can see here, I am a old user. That's why it's saying me trade 5,000 US dollars on futures to flip the second card and qualify for the share of the prize pool for this particular round. So to get the second card, first I got the Solana card, as I explained. To get the second card, I need to trade on futures with 5,000 USDT, and then I'll be getting the second card. So once you do that, all the points will be shown, current hand rank will be shown, points will be shown, and as you can see, so if I trade with the 5,000 US dollars, I'll be unlocking the second card. For those who are a new user, if you trade from $100, you will be unlocking the second card, and all the rankings, everything will be shown. And there is also an example for different hand types and points. If you get all the Bitcoin cards, you will be getting 70 points. This is in S, there is A plus A, everything is shown in that particular chart. You can click on that and it will be explaining you. And there is also a section to boost your hand cards and points. So if you trade with 10,000 USDT or more, you will be getting 1 swap card. That means you can swap your existing card with that, and then you can reach rank B plus or higher and enjoy 30% point booster for the day also with that. So once you achieve, just click on the achieve button and it will be achieved in your category. So if you invite friends, there is also a benefit for that. It will be given as an extra point booster. You can see the number of referrals. For 1 it will be 10%, for 3 it will be 20%, for 5 referrals it will be 30% as an extra point booster. So as your USDT increases, you will be also categorized in different pool, for starter pool, for rising pool, and for elite pool. So if you are in the different pools, it will be also increasing your the rewards. So as you can see, for the starter pool, if your hand rank is A, you will be having 0.09%. the prize pool is 0.77%. B plus has a huge prize pool of 25%. Similarly, if you click on the rising pool, participant will be 3.36%, prize pool, as you can see, 21.36%. different pool will have a different price pool. As I said, to join or to get into that pool, you have to trade with more USDT, as they have explained here. So this is everything related to this particular event, which is run by the Mexc Global Exchange. Very simple event, huge price pool. So think about it and you can join this particular event using the Mexc Global Exchange. It's very simple. Earn cards. You have to upgrade cards. There is a proper step for earning cards, which I have explained. Then you can upgrade the cards, and then you will be involved in the prize pool of $5 million. That means the rewards will be shared amongst the users who have joined and who have completed the steps. So this is complete detail regarding this particular event. Hope you guys have understood, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down in the comment section. I'll be making sure I'll be answering all of your queries. Thanks for watching. I'll be meeting you in the next one. Until then, take care. Goodbye.